Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to use customer support. Use any Airtel number to call us and we will help you to unlock your phone. So friends, as you can see here, it is written as call us at 198 number so we can unlock this Airtel exclusive smartphone. So yes friends, if you are having trouble in unlocking this smartphone, you can call at 198 number. They will help you to resolve your problem, or instead you can just do it. Put your Airtel SIM card with 299 recharge plan and just insert it, and then it will be unlocked. There is no worries and there is no difficulty to solve this problem. As you can see, I have inserted and now the phone is unlocked successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.